Hey, what up, decisive marketers? We're going to be talking about a form tool today. Yes, it's another one, but this is a little bit different, right? Because it works with Google Sheets. It's building your form from your Google Sheets. So this is a very cool tool. And before I dive into this tool, it's called TypeSheet. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we go. There we go. Right, so this is the form right here. It looks pretty nice, I would say, and you can see it's kind of the type form kind of solution right here. I'm just moving my camera right here so you can see that there is a powered by TypeSheet right here, which you can also remove that if you want to. Right, you can see like the questions. I think it looks amazing, right? I mean, it's a simple solution, but it looks great. Okay, so how it works, this is TypeSheet right here. The first thing you need to do is to install the where it is. Okay, just give me a second. Oops. Okay. Alright, so you got to install the, okay, let me just open the quick help. Okay, it's not here as well. So what happens is you got to install the Google Sheet add-on, right? It's a Google Sheet add-on, right? So you just click on this link right here. It will direct you to the Google Sheet add-on right here. You got to install this. Okay, so once you've installed this, what happens is you just need to click on new TypeSheet. It will create a new Google Sheet right here. Okay, and then you would go into extensions. Okay, so you go into extensions, you will see TypeSheet right here, and then you can start TypeSheet. Okay, and it will convert your Google Sheet into something like this right here. Okay, see that? Right, so this is a template. Okay, and then you can create your form right here very quickly. And so what you want to be doing is you just click on add new questions. It's going to fill up the form right here. Okay, can you see that? Okay, and then you can select whether the question is required or not. Okay, and if it's required, is it skippable or not skippable? Right, so that means I can move on to the next questions first, and then you can put in your question, then the type of question. So right now they only have short answer, long answer, multi-select, single select, drop down. Okay, and for the multi-select, single select, and drop down options, you will need to create separate sheets right here to fill in the options. Right, so you got to fill in the options right here. Alright, so we can see the form here. Let me just kind of skip to some of the drop down questions so you can see the options right here. Okay, and then the drop down option, right, which is also a single select option. Okay, and then you can have a short answer, long answer as well, and you can put in a description, right? So let me just jump back to the first question. Right, so you can see the question description right here, and you can also put a video in here. Can you see that? So this is very nice, I would say. So once you have done this, okay, you click on add question, right? So you add those questions in, fill it up, okay, create the necessary sheets to insert your options, then save changes and preview survey. You would then be able to see your questions right here, I mean your form right here, and then you can click on this hamburger menu right here, and you can customize the form, right? So I have placed a background image, which is this brick looking wall, and then the logo, right? Let me see if I can just refresh this and go to the home. Okay, so this is the logo image right here, and then there's a welcome title. You can put in some description if you want to, and then the video URL. You can autoplay the video. You can put ending, title, description, video, autoplay. You can redirect them somewhere after they fill up the form, whether you want to show the TypeSheet branding or not. Okay, and you can also share the form. So this is the link. You can embed it as a widget, a full preview pop-up as well. So you get the embed code right here. Okay, and whether you want to show close button, show or close on submission, or pop-up, or widget, and you can have the widget to appear in different positions right here. Okay, and lastly would be your integration. So you can put in your Google Analytics, maybe some chat widgets, whatever it is, you can put it in the header and the footer right here. So that is TypeSheet, and once you have some responses, so let me try and fill up a response. Okay. Okay, so I've submitted the form. Okay, and if I go back to my dashboard in TypeSheet, I refresh this, I would be able to see my response, right? I would be able to see. Oops, I guess I got to publish it first, so it's not published. But let me try this, right? Okay, so I got no responses because it's not published, so it didn't record any responses in there. But once you click on get responses, it will open up a new sheet, and you can see all your responses in here, right? You will be able to see all your responses in here. I don't think it recorded it, but let me see if I can try and fill this up again, maybe, and try and get a response. So we can see how it looks like, right? So get ready. Okay. Right, so we've got a submission right here. Let me refresh this. Okay, maybe I need to save this TypeSheet test. Okay. Okay, let me try with this link right here. Oh, okay. So your survey has been submitted successfully, but since you are the owner of the survey, because I'm the owner of the survey, is not being recorded. So otherwise, if I were to submit this, let me just Let's try and see if I can submit it in the incognito window. Right, so if you're the owner, it doesn't get recorded. So get started. Okay. Okay, submitted. Let's see. Okay, thank you for. Okay, so let's see. Let's refresh this. And there's one response. Okay, great. So now we can get survey responses. Okay, and we should see the response in here. Right, so pretty much that's how TypeSheet works. It's very simple form. Right now, it works with Google Sheets. So if you are into Google Sheets, this is a great solution because Google Sheets has tons of integrations, right? So you can easily connect TypeSheet with your other different tools out there. So I would say that if integrations or automations of your questions are very important, then I would say that TypeSheet is a great solution for that. So that's all I have to share about TypeSheet. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. If you know anyone who could benefit from a form tool, especially with a lot of integrations based on Google Sheets, be sure to share this video with them. Lastly, let me know what you think about TypeSheet in the comments below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.